Alrighty guys, we're going to be running Extreme Regen. And as you can see, the ability bonus is kind of busted. Jeez, this is the team I wanted to face. This is an anti-regen team. So, we're going to be able to test how good my team is versus theirs. I think that's a good lineup. Let me see. Honestly, it'd be better if I brought Zamasu. I'm just feeling Zamasu today because he's being Zenkai boosted, so his stats are probably the best on the team just because he's getting all those boosts on top of the team boosts. And okay, he may not put up the best numbers because of his abilities and passives, but he'll be pretty good. I've used this team 2 times before, lost once, but that was, I swear to God, this guy was like in the top 1K. His RP and good games were through the roof, so wasn't expecting to win that one, but I love how I dodged that. And the game just was like, no, you don't need to dodge it. Ooh, you be jumping, boy. I didn't mean to tap. I meant to go mid-range and tackle. Lock him in, okay. I'm actually fine with this Zamasu being locked in. Are you going to use your ult on me? Because that would be perfect. Yes, please. You won't be able to kill with normal cards, so please just... that is amazing. You wasted your ult on my most expendable unit. Thank you for being actually stupid. We're actually going to let Evil Buu take this, because, watch. After she gets done with this combo, watch what my main ability does. It's going to be ridiculous, guys. Hold on, watch. Just watch. %50 of my HP healed, like... Best freaking ability ever. Don't be... Oh my god, bro! That's phenomenal. I don't like this guy. Just Rising Rush. Jesus Christ. Get somebody out of here. I'll get Strike card. I use so many. Most likely to have all Blast cards, so... There you go. Well, he's dead. Boom! Okay, go crazy. Heal a little bit because I need it. I need to sit down. I'm walking in circles, so my head is a little woozy. Okay. You know, I'm actually fine with this because Red Boo's gonna get buffed because of Nail dying, and please have all Blast cards. That'd be... Oh! I mean, hey, he had the exact same rush I did, so that was all fair. I got my rush, he got his rush. Fine with that. Okay, no. That was bullshit. Do it. Bullshit. No, I clicked my super first. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that's so true though. Nobody stands a chance against her, and that's why we lost. Although I didn't do too bad. It's just his team is literally built around countering Regen, so it was an uphill start to it was an uphill battle from the start. But you know, I guess we'll go for a couple more rounds, just to try and get something. Because honestly, guys, this team wasn't bad. Because imagine if these were Sparkings against that Regen team we just fought. I mean that Fusion team we just fought. Had I been using Sparkings, I could have whopped him because I was so close to beating him with the extremes. Okay, just imagine if I'd used this team. There's like 2 people that nullify endurance. Not that I have an endurance unit, but Jesus Christ, look at that team. I'm screenshotting that. Okay, jeez, we're definitely gonna be using you. No one ever brings GT Goku, so we're gonna bring Evil Buu here, and we're needing Zamasu. Oh my god, dude, this team's gonna be awful. If I win though, like, I'll be happy, but that team's just insane. Okay. Yeah, it's an insane team. There's like little to nothing I'm probably gonna be able to do against this. All you can do is start the fight. Girl? Okay. I'm kind of a little bit mad that I lost that last match, dude. It was just bullshit. I used that super card way before he clicked a strike card, and I hate that it didn't go through. Like, it angers me a little bit. He brought GT Goku? I swiped. What game? Okay. Why is it... What? Kind of have to focus for this one. Like, what is this guy? He's like on drugs. Oh shit. Don't give it your all. Ooh, clutch. Ooh, crap. Oh, wait, yeah, he's boosted damage against Regen. Did I die? No, I didn't. Oh, yikes. This is where your blue card's good. Jesus. Okay, we killed you. Okay, like, going crazy? Forfeit! Very good. Happy about that, actually. So, we managed to win! Against... Hold on, I gotta check real quick. What Zenkai level was that Goku? Jesus, wait. A Zenkai 6 Goku. EX Regen. just beat a 1,900 ability bonus Saiyan team with a Zenkai level 6 Kid Goku. Okay. Honestly, like these units are relatively old and some are relatively, newer. So you have a lot of luck with this team. But he's definitely bringing Super Saiyan 3 because he's anti-regen by 50%. Oh my god, every team I faced has been anti-regen in some way, shape, or form. So what we'll do is we'll start there. Oh, Chiyu, stop! Oh, by the way, Chiyu, she's like one of my best friends. I love her to death. Yeah, this guy, his name is Calm Down, and I'm like really anxious because like I don't know, I just feel kind of nervous, a little jumpy. I think I had too much soda, but that's me. I drink a lot of soda. Probably work out after this though, if we're gonna be honest. Get the sugar out of my veins. But the match is commenced. Perfect vanishes are bitches. Ooh. Oh shit. Okay, I'm down with this. Down with that. Didn't switch. Well, I'm down with this, because he's a support type, and he kicks ass. So if I can get him out of the way, bro, that's already a win in my book right there. 2.1 on type disadvantage on an EX regen. Put in that damage. Go, Slug, go. Look at him tank. I'm sorry. Bro. Oh my. I know he likes to go for taps, so I'm just gonna go for it. I swiped! What game? Lag much? Rising Rush. The team is so tank. I already got my Rising Rush, bro. Like, that's kind of how dumb this team is. Are you gonna use your ult on him? You wasted that ult, dude. Just know that. Okay, so after this, we're gonna go for the instant tackle because I feel like he's gonna use his Rising Rush because. Please don't guess, because he could. If he guesses this, he wins, and then he just got to come back. But he did not. Red Evil Buu pulling through, killed the last stand unit. 4.8 on a deep. Very weak. Jesus Christ, damn it, Evil Buu, you are phenomenal. One of the better extremes in the game, in my opinion. But I think that this red Evil Buu has proven himself, and he is quite a freaking monster. So we're just going to end the video off there. Have a wonderful day, guys.